In today's world, when artificial fibers are taking over in the field of textiles, can natural fibers like jute, cotton, silk or linen survive? Fortunately, there is a growing movement for natural fibers, a move towards eco-friendly products. Not only in the fashion world, but also in the products we use every day. The role of NIRJAFT, or National Institute of Research on Jute and Allied Fiber Technology, should be seen in this context. In general, the concept of jute means sacking. Till today, sacking is the major output of jute goods and is the backbone of jute mills. Up to the mid-1960s, 80% of jute products were exported, mainly as sacking. Does it mean then that jute, the golden fiber, cannot be utilized as textile fiber or for non-textile areas? Yes, it has been possible through extensive dedicated research to develop diversified products such as floor covering, blankets, shawls, outer garments like Johor coat, sweaters, big shopper, fancy bags, upholstery and various handicraft items like slippers and even alternative ornaments. On the other hand, day-to-day consumer items like paper, wood substitutes, molded products like auto trims, rigid packaging can also be made from jute. Even today, we could utilize jute as technical textile for riverbank erosion control, slope stabilization, wasteland development and whatnot. Come along with us as we bring you the latest in research activities on jute and other natural fibers. In the beginning, research started for evaluation and characterization of the golden fiber in the form of Jute Technological Research Laboratory in Kolkata as early as 1938. The institute could establish the gradation of fiber through handy instruments of fiber characterization for its strength, fineness, color and luster. Step by step, the Institute has concentrated on how to improve the quality and upgrade the fiber through microbial processes. Various kinds of fiber processing have been developed for novelty yarns, fine yarn, covered yarn and knitting yarns. Caplon blanket, wool substitute through bulking of yarn, has come out as utility low-cost products. Meanwhile, the institute has been taken over by ICAR in 1965 and subsequently renamed as National Institute of Research on Jute and Allied Fiber Technology for its outstanding achievement in various sectors. Established in Kolkata, the institute is equipped with modern laboratories having a wide range of sophisticated instruments, equipment, machinery and the experimental textile mill. The institute begins with the task of transformation of the traditional practices of fiber extraction for higher yield, fiber quality and environmental sustainability. The transformation is then carried forward in developing synergies of jute with other natural and synthetic fibers for textile and non-textile applications. The success story of our research could not have been scripted without the help of small-scale entrepreneurs. Their need to use small quantities of yarn for making fabrics through weaving, knitting, etc. could only be made possible through the concept of mini-jute spinning units. Recently, the Institute has come out with the development of a handloom unit for weaving ornamental jute fabrics. With the same aim in view, handmade paper technology from jute caddies and fibers have also been developed. Jute stick, low-value waste material, mostly used as burning fuel for villages, can be converted now to particle board for thermal insulation and sound insulation in cinema halls, auditoriums, etc. Fiber-reinforced plastics as a composite structural material was so long based on costly glass fiber. As a substitute, jute can now be utilized as reinforcing fiber to develop various composites as wood substitute for furniture, various molded items such as auto trims, rigid packaging, etc. Jute synthetic blended union fabric for geotextile use is a great achievement of NIRJAFT. These fabrics have been developed at the highly productive circular weaving machine. Same methods have been used for road construction as well as for the protection of rain-fed riverbanks. A successful field trial has been conducted for the protection of a part of the bank of Mayurakshi River at Mayureswar in the Birbhum district in West Bengal, based on the principle of using geotextiles as reinforcing material for stable grass turfing. The present Bureau of Indian Standard System of Grading of Jute is the outcome of a detailed study on the physical properties of fiber carried out at NIRJAFT. This system has been the basis of commercial marketing of jute. NIRJAFT has developed handy, non-destructive, error-free digital instruments like fiber bundle strength tester, moisture measurement meter, thermal insulation value tester. Lately, NIRJAFT has developed the water-saving and accelerated improved retting technology through ribboning of fibers at the green stage and utilizing minimum of fresh water instead of conventional total jute plant retting, which leads to degraded fiber quality. The process involves ribboning of green plants by jute ribboner developed at NIRJAFT. Addition of Shonali Shathi, the retting accelerator developed at NIRJAFT, to the retting water. Soaking of ribbons in the retting solution in a cemented or polythene tank. Extraction of fibers by washing the retted ribbons after 8 to 10 days. Fiber obtained in this process is upgraded by 1 to 2 steps. Retting water is saved by more than 90%. The Institute looks for the transfer of its developed technologies through conduction of different training programs, participating in exhibitions, fairs, demonstration programs, etc. The Zonal Technology Management and Business Planning and Development Unit at NIRJAFT will be a place where the process of starting agribusiness venture is catalyzed by supporting entrepreneurs with technology, consultancy, consulting with management experts, venture capital funding and marketing.
I think there is and everybody accepted that if this kind of technology goes, a lot of employment will be generated. So we need this kind of entrepreneur and institute partnerships. So in that direction, we have this BPD unit, where we want to have a collaboration with entrepreneurs and we have to work in a collaborative mode in the domain of our strength. Business is the strength of entrepreneurs, technology is our strength. So we want to join. So what we want to do is, we want to have 3-4 support system we have created in our, under this scheme, in the project. Basically, first thing is actually technology transfer.
A glimpse of the research findings at NIRJAFT on processes and diversified products could show the enormous potential of jute through commercialization and marketing. It could slowly replace existing conventional products with new jute-based items, to usher in a golden future for the industry.